Alright, Dropshipping gang, welcome to day 39 of our challenge where I'm taking an eBay store and scaling it all the way up to making $1,000 to $3,000 every single month. Now we're currently at 8,470 listings. Let's go to our orders and check out our sales. I believe we had around 26 or 20 sales today. So I'm not going to go through it all, but I'll just skim over just so that I can show it to you guys. So that will be the 28th. Let's have a look. All of these orders, as you can see here, 28th of April, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Now that's a lot of orders for me to tell you guys all of the prices. So I'm just going to skip that. If you want to have a look at it, you can kind of slow down the video or you can freeze it if you wanted to have a look at any of them particularly. All right, let's go to our performance and check out our traffic. Okay, so we're currently at 13.7 million impressions in the last 30 days and our listing views is 15,869. Okay, in terms of the quantity sold, we are currently at 246 minus the 15 that came in the next day. So we're currently at 235 quantities sold as of now. Our click-through rate is 0.1%. Our sales conversion rate has been going up 1.6%. So everything is looking smooth. Let's go ahead and have a look at our impressions. We are around 500,000 impressions for that day. Let's go to our listing view. We are around 700 listing views for that day. Let's go to quantity. And as I mentioned it, there's been 26 sales that came in today. 21 of them are promoted, while the 5 of them came from organic. Once again, the system that we built is working. Everything is looking as good as it could possibly be. If you want to go ahead and be a part of the team I built, feel free to join into the WhatsApp group. If you have any questions, you can ask there. If you want to join in and partner up with me or get a mentorship, feel free to reach out from there. Without further ado, that is it for today's video. I will see you guys in the next upcoming video, which is tomorrow. Stay tuned and take care of yourself.